If you want to start a commercial cleaning business in 2024, then make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any valuable information.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
I go by the name of DJ The Boss here on YouTube. I've been running my cleaning business for the last 8 or 9 years, and it's been an incredible journey. I started off as a homeless man. I fell on really hard times, deeply in debt. I was going through a really hard custody battle. The house that I was renting was sold from underneath me, leaving me without a place to be. And I was able to turn that situation into everything that you see around me. Everything in my life has kind of been on the back of my cleaning business. And so I'm proud of the success that we've had. And this YouTube channel was built from me documenting that journey. So if you're interested in what it looked like when I first started, then go back to the very beginning of this channel and you'll be able to see my growth in my business and this channel. But I want to talk about starting a commercial cleaning business in 2024 because there's still a lot of opportunity in this industry. We are nowhere near oversaturating the total addressable market in the cleaning industry.
They bought big homes in Palm Beach and Miami. They need cleaning. The problem is there weren't enough experienced cleaners. So now Florida's wealth boom has touched off a housekeeper shortage. Salaries for experienced housekeepers in Palm Beach more than doubled since 2020. The typical salary, get this, is now $110,000 to $150,000, including overtime, 401ks, and health insurance. Most housekeepers are asking $50 an hour or more. Staffing agencies say some executive housekeepers, that's where they clean and they help manage a cleaning staff, are topping $200,000, and bidding wars have become common.
So there's still a lot of room for new businesses and old businesses to grow a lot. First thing I need you to do is like this video. The like goal for this video is going to be 250 likes. So if you don't see that number next to the like button at 250, then do your part and hit the like button. What that does is it shows it to more people. The YouTube algorithm loves likes. So we need to feed that beast and give it more likes so that it can show this video to more people. We can build a bigger community and we can continue to provide valuable videos like this on YouTube for people trying to start and build commercial cleaning businesses. Also, subscribe to the channel. One of the best things that you can be doing for your commercial cleaning business is to be on a continuous learning journey. And that means subscribing to channels like this and any of the other channels who are doing the things that you are trying to do. Using other people's experience is a cheat code to growing your business. If you can actually talk to someone or you can actually get insights from someone who's been through exactly the thing that you're about to go through, that's extremely valuable insight. Speaking of which, I do offer one-on-one coaching and the link for that is in the description if you're interested. But if you're just getting started in commercial cleaning, or if you're just thinking about getting started in commercial cleaning and you don't know where to go, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start, then the very first thing you need to do is to occupy your space online. Start there. I think that's what I advise people to do as soon as they have an idea. It doesn't even matter what the idea or what kind of business it is that you want to start. As soon as you have the idea, come up with a name for it and start occupying that space online. So go and create all of those free accounts online on the social medias like your LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube. Go and create all of those accounts under your business name so that you start to occupy that online real estate. And if you are thoughtful about the naming of your company or your usernames on these platforms, you may be able to show up in search results in some of these platforms right out of the gate. The reason why this is number one is because you get free organic reach on most of these platforms. So as you're posting and as you're putting things out, this is marketing. This is the free marketing, things that you get to do for free to draw attention and bring eyeballs to your business and create awareness for your brand. Take advantage of it. It's free. There's no reason not to do it. There's absolutely no reason not to do it whatsoever. And once you do this, you can also invite your community and your network, your personal network, and people who already know you personally, and let them know that, hey, you're now doing business. This is what you're involved in. This is who you are now. This is the identity or the brand that you're embodying. At the same time, you also need to see if that name is available as a domain name for you to purchase for your website. I think domain names are usually about $12 to $20 a year. It's not extremely expensive. Go ahead and grab that as soon as you can so that no one else takes it, or just make it as unique enough that no one else wants it. Or, whether it's Janet Jordan's janitorial service, whatever, something personal, but also has the keyword in there, whatever you want to do, or whatever naming convention you come up with. Just make sure that your domain name is available for you to purchase so that you can get that as soon as possible. So after we've occupied that real estate, our online real estate and all of the social and free platforms, we need to create a website. Website is extremely important because SEO is the #1 revenue generator for most service businesses. If your potential client is searching for your service and you don't come up, then you don't exist. You need to show up where your clients are, where your potential clients are. And most of the time for us, that's search. Our social media and our organic reach on those platforms would be our regular marketing. SEO and your website would be intent-based marketing, where you're gonna show up where your clients are already searching for your service. And that's the very next place that I would spend time. Purchasing your domain name may not be free. Your web hosting service may not be free. I think there may even be some free options out there. But the free work that you get to do on your website and optimizing your website to show up in search results is free. Yes, you can pay SEO companies or people who are well-versed in search engine optimization to work on your website for you, but this is a skill that there's a lot of information online that you can learn and do the research and work on your website for free to put yourself higher in the search results, increasing your chances that someone searching for your service is going to find you and do business with you. There's an immediate trust factor that comes with showing up high in the search results. Businesses kind of automatically assume that you know what you're doing because you show up in the search results, and it's not a hard thing to do, especially with all the changes that Google is releasing with the search results lately. I did just recently do a video on that, so go check that out if you want information on that. We also need to go ahead after we create our website and create our Google My Business page so that we can actually control what shows up about our business on Google when people search for us. Once that's all out of the way, now we exist online. Now we're available for people to find us when they're searching for our service if we've done this well. The next thing that we need to do, because we can't just rely on search traffic, we can't control traffic, we can't control how many people a month are searching for our service. What we can control is our output. So we need to start asking for business. We need to start using first our immediate network, so the people that you know. In commercial, everyone works somewhere. I know there's a lot of work from home things going on nowadays, but a lot of people you know probably still work in an office or an office building somewhere. You can reach out to your immediate network and have them put you in contact with the person in charge of hiring cleaners or cleaning services in their jobs, in their workplaces. Use your immediate network. That's the number one thing you can do. Also, start posting online. Whatever you've decided to target, whoever you've decided to go after as far as a niche or a target customer, start providing them value on your social media account. Tag them, reach out to them. You can do all of these activities in each of these platforms. You can DM them on Instagram, you can reach out to them on LinkedIn, you can just create content that should be found by them. So you can utilize these free platforms to grow your business and to make connections with people who might actually do business. If you actually focus on using it for business, then you won't get caught up watching cat videos or watching whatever other content that you typically get caught up with consuming on those platforms. Marketing works. Of course it works if you're skilled at it. It's all skill based. So the better you are at marketing, the better it's going to work for you. Just like any form of outreach, the better you are at sales, the better it's going to be for you. What I just talked about in terms of reaching out to your immediate circle would be, I would consider that networking. And of course there's other forms of networking. You can get out into your local community and go to these meetings or go to whatever community events and business events that you can find in your community to continue networking and introducing yourself and introducing your brand and getting to know the people that are shaking and moving in your community. You never know which of these people have contacts of people in buildings or operate buildings themselves or have building businesses themselves that may be able to use your service or may come across people who they can refer your service to in the future. So extremely valuable is networking. We're all networking. We have an opportunity to market and gain new clients. We have an opportunity to do outreach on all these platforms to get new clients. We have an opportunity to show up in the search results and get new clients. Notice that I didn't say anything about spending money other than your domain and your website. We haven't spent anything. I haven't mentioned spending, I haven't mentioned purchasing any cleaning supplies. Why haven't I mentioned purchasing any cleaning supplies? Because you probably don't need to. To be honest with you, business owners are just as excited as you are about starting their business or about moving into a new office or a new facility as you are about starting your cleaning business. So they're gonna buy all the things that they need. I just put out a video of getting a new client where it was a restaurant/bar that opened, and the owner of the bar was so excited that she was opening this new facility that she purchased everything she could have possibly needed. 2 months worth of restocking supplies, including all the paper products and all the soaps and mop buckets and brooms and vacuums. She purchased all of that stuff for herself and put them in her storage closet. And also, most facilities are built with janitorial in mind, and so they will have closets in places where cleaning supplies goes that these facility managers and building owners already stock full of supplies. So you don't even know what you will need, and you can save money by not purchasing that supplies up front and waiting until you know what you need before you go into these locations, or before you go to buy supplies for these locations, or before you go and spend a bunch of money on cleaning supplies. The next thing you need to do in starting your cleaning business in 2024 is decide what form of outreach you're going to do, where you're going to focus. If you're going to do cold calling to drum up business, whether you're going to do cold email to drum up business, whether you're going to focus on your social media outreach plan, whatever that is, find whatever your skill set is going to give you the most results. What are you the best at? What can you actually get? What do you feel like you can get results in? What are you the most confident in? And start figuring out how to get results using that whatever method it is that you decide to go with. Everything works and nothing won't. So whatever you're good at, whatever you spend time doing, whatever you achieve a level of mastery in, is probably going to be the thing that yields you the most results. Once we start getting clientele, and once we have a couple of people in our network refer us some business, and we've maybe come up for a couple of searches and have had the opportunity to do business, once we have some money coming in, once we have some interest in our business, now we want to go ahead and double back and get legal. Once you have revenue coming in, you go ahead and you purchase the licensing, your state license, your EIN number, all of the things that you need to be a legal business entity. You can do this stuff after you start generating revenue. You can do all of the free things so that you can be found and so that you can start doing business. A lot of people like to use the, oh, I don't have my LLC and I don't have this, that, and the third as an excuse to not start doing business. You're just lazy and you're scared and you're afraid to see that. You don't have to wait for all of these things. There's nothing stopping you from doing business. There's no law that says that you can't go and clean for someone and make money before you have your LLC. Like that's not realistic. You can get out and you can get after it and you can start doing some business before you have a business bank account, before you have any paperwork whatsoever. You can get out there and create interest for your business and create interest for your brand and let people know what you're doing. And when you start to get money, you can double back and take care of all of those things that you need to take care of, like you registering your business with your state and the Secretary of State, and getting your EIN number and getting your bank account and all the things that you need to do, and your insurance and bonding and all of that stuff. All that stuff you can get once you have revenue coming into the business. As long as you don't wait until you're generating millions and millions of dollars to go and get the paperwork that you need. A lot of businesses will require that you have it when you start doing business. As long as you get to it in an appropriate amount of time, you'll be okay. It's totally fine to get out there and start working. Don't let not having an LLC or not having a business bank account stop you from getting out there and generating business, because you're not going to have the money to do it until you go and sell. Sales is going to be the lifeblood of your business, and it's the only thing that's going to be predictable because you control the inputs for your sales and how much outreach you do. That's controllable. Yes, you want to be found in search, and that you want to show up for that intent-based marketing when your potential clients are actually looking and showing intent to purchase your service, but you also want to be doing outreach because you control the inputs of the outreach. And once you get a result from those inputs, now you know how many inputs equal a result, and you get to control how many inputs you do. But I really hope this helps you guys. I really hope this demystifies the whole getting started in commercial cleaning. So I have a lot of information and a lot of videos on this channel, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel and check out all my old videos of me growing and building this cleaning business to where it is today, and join this community and all of the help and all of the value we've been able to provide to cleaning business owners over the years. So definitely spend some time checking out the other videos and the other topics about starting and growing a commercial cleaning business. If you don't have a way to present your proposal to your potential clients, I have a free link in the description that you can use. You can download it, customize it, change my pictures to your pictures, change my branding and colors to your branding and colors, and obviously change the offer that you're offering to your client to match whatever it is that you're selling. But that's my gift to you guys. It's completely free, and it's a professional template that you can use and make your business look a little bit more professional in those proposals and increase your closing rate. More people will say yes because it looks like you actually put some time and some care into your business, into the media and the presentation of your business, and that goes a long way with your potential client. I hope that brings you guys some value. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like this video again, subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.
When they start to get new business, they'll stop looking for new business so they can train their employees. But then once you get the employees trained, now you got no new business coming in and you're back to square one. So you always got to be doing both at the same time. There's never a time in your business where you should not be taking on new clients and not be hiring new employees. That's a 100% of the time activity in your business all the time, forever.